You can do it a cappella or we can. Anything you say, boss. Anything you say, Maccabee. Anything at all you say.
Alright, when you know say Maccabee is a lyrical man.
Yeah.
I know say I want me eat Wednesday. Yeah. So today it's all about the cucumber. Or as they call it in Jamaica.
Yeah.
How we set up master.
Tell me now.
You are here?
Yeah, man. Tell me now. How you go, Maccabee?
Alright. Cucumber. Cucumber.
Alright.
Cucumber. Give me one now.
Cucumber.
Alright. How it go? Vitamins, minerals, very high number. Silica, ear and nails get longer. Other vitamin make your bone them stronger. Anti-wrinkle make you look younger. 95% water. Kidney cleanser, great hydrator. Detox fiber, good regulator. Give your body good things, don't be a traitor. Get the cucumber, cut it in a slice. Put it in a jug of water overnight. You know what you get for a fraction of the price? Energy drink full of electrolytes.
Sure.
Roaring salad is one of the use.
Sure.
As a base for your vegetable juice.
Sure.
Another surprise, put a slice on your eyes. Take away the dryness, revitalize.
Sure.
Oh yes. One thing I have left. Cucumber can also help with bad breath. Wash away the bacteria that cause the odor.
Sure.
Cucumber water instead of soda. Cucumber.
Cucumber. Ba, 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 ba.